Hey, music rock stars. In today's video, I am going to teach you the song Mistletoe by Justin Bieber. This song has some basic chords in it, has a really fun strumming pattern, and it has one of those vocal melodies that you just can't help but sing along with. So come on in, let's practice together. To play this song just like the record, you'll need to have a capo here on the second fret. But if you don't have a capo, that's okay. You can play these chords without the capo. It'll sound a little bit different than it does on the record, but you'll still get used to the chords and you'll still have tons of fun playing it. So don't worry if you don't have a capo. The first chord in the song is G major, and we're going to use either our pointer finger or our second finger, and we're going to put it on the bottom string here of the third fret. So with our capo, this now becomes a third fret. 1, 2, 3. We take our pointer finger, we're going to put it on the bottom string of the third fret, and then we're going to play the bottom 4 strings. Good. Now the next chord is D major, and we're also going to play the bottom 4 strings. Then the next chord is E minor 7th, and we get to use just one finger again. We're going to put it on the second string of the second fret, but this time we can play all 6 strings. Lastly, we're going to use our pointer finger just one more time for C major. We're going to put our pointer finger here on the 5th string of the first fret, and again, we're going to play the bottom 4 strings. Those chords again are G major, D major, E minor 7th, and C major. Good. Now, there is a really simple strumming pattern for this song. You're going to just do down, up, stop, down, up, stop, down, up, stop, down, up, stop. Good. Let's practice that together. Let's do that 4 times. Ready, go. Down, up, stop, down, up, stop, down, up, stop. Last time, down, up, stop. Very good job. Now, let's practice that slowly with all of the chords, and then we'll start to pick up the strumming pattern, and it'll start to sound a little bit more like it does in the song. Just follow along as best you can. Ready, go. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Now D major. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Now E minor 7th. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2. And now C major. Down, up, 1, down, up, 2. Very good. Now that we're all warmed up, let's try to speed it up a little bit. Not a super fast tempo, but also not a slow one, kind of somewhere right in the middle. So follow along as best you can. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, up, stop. 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 And that's the whole song. You play those same chords, that same strumming pattern throughout the entire song. Let's try that together. Let's pick up the pace a little bit. I'm going to play it close to the tempo that's in the song. If that feels a little bit fast, that's okay. Maybe pause the video here and practice a little bit and then jump right back in. All right, you got this. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. 2 more times. Let's end on G. Excellent job. That sounds so good. So for my advanced players out there, you'll want to play the full chords. So you'll want to play the full G major like this. And then you'll go to D major. And and then still that E minor 7th. You can do that with just your one finger, but then you'll play the full version of C. It's going to sound a little bit like this. And I like this song because you really get a chance to practice those up strums. Down and up. Down, up, 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 down, up. So you really get a feel of what it's like to emphasize that up strum. But really great job. That sounds really, really awesome. I hope you enjoy playing this, and really awesome job working on all those chords. That's the whole song. So all you have to do is just keep repeating those chords, practicing the strumming patterns, and before you know it, you're going to know the full song. Really great job today, Rockstars. Thank you so much for practicing with me. End our time together with a little jam session. Let's play through that chord progression 4 times. And I'm going to play it at full speed, and I am going to be using the advanced chord. You're still using some of those more basic one-finger chords. That's okay too. Jam along, follow along as best you can. We're all doing this together. And the point is just to have some fun. So here we go. We're going to start on G major, and we're going to play it 4 times through. Are you ready? All right, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, go. Sounds great. Really, really great job, Rockstars. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Keep practicing, keep playing, keep having fun. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season, and we'll see you again next time.